Gapsi, Ahon Science din, sa kaliwa ko, galing pang Gapsi representative, mag-ingay para sa post ito. Sa kanan ko naman, Dave Manuela, galing pang Dakari representative, magbibigay ng intro. Nanalo ng coin toss, siya daw magbibigay ng intro. Unang banat para kay Dave Manuela.
Pinili mo talaga ako mauna. Boss Patrick, pumili ka dyan ng gamit, gagawin ko yun na topic.
Asma.
Asma. So we're gonna be interviewing some people here in Gapsi about asthma and what they think about it. And that's it. That's it. What they know about asthma, and we're gonna be reviewing it, researching it. That's it, guys. Time.
Oh.
Good morning and good afternoon to everyone of all of you. We are the group 5 from the section of Switch. Today we'll be interviewing Miss.
Hi, I'm Aliana Silva Tizon from Tenrea.
Miss Ariana, what can prevent an asthma attack?
First, you should consult a doctor. Second, if once na malaman mo na yung mga nakaka-trigger sa asthma attack mo, you can try to prevent that, lalo na yung mga smoke, second-hand smoke, and also yung mga tambucho, yung mga sumasabog ng usok. And lastly, syempre, let's try to take our medicine and also inhaler a lot of times.
Thank you for that answer. And
For today, we're gonna interview
Sir Mark. Sir Mark, what do you know symptoms of asthma?
Symptoms of asthma, normally kapag ikaw ay may asthma, ang una mong mararamdaman is nahihirapan kang huminga. Yung parang yung lungs mo is nagko-compress, no, ay yung mga sintomas ng asthma. So aside from that, saan ba natin nakukuha yung asthma? So kung ikaw ay mahilig manigarilyo, no, isang cause yun para ikaw ay magkaroon ng sakit na asthma. At mas worse yung secondary smoking, ibig sabihin nun ay yung nalalanghap mo yung usok na galing dun sa tao mismo na naninigarilyo, no? So para maging safe tayo sa asthma, dapat maging tayong healthy. Dapat kumain ng maayos, no? Okay, pag may nakita kayong naninigarilyo, anong gagawin? Tatakit ng ilong, no? Okay, yun lang. Maraming salamat.
Thank you for that very wonderful question, answer, Sir Mark.
Okay.
And that's it. Peace out. We will be interviewing Mr.
CJ from Gate Tenrea.
So, Mr. CJ, sa tingin mo, how can asthma affect someone's life?
Makaka-apekto ito sa living na isang tao kasi nga malilimit sa asthma kasi may asthma. Malilimit ito yung bawat galaw natin, lalong-lalo na kung may sportsman tayo. Kasi nga bawat galaw mo kasi is parang limitless dahil sa limit na air take na makukuha mo sa pag-ingat sa pangalaman.
Thank you for very wonderful answer. And that's it, guys. Goodbye!